Is your iPad acting up, frozen, or just not working right? In this video, I'll show you the quick and easy steps to perform a factory reset. 4 ultimate solutions to wipe away those stubborn glitches and get your device running smoothly again. Think of your Settings app as your iPad's mission control. This is where the magic happens. You can tweak how it looks, acts, and feels. Ready for a fresh start? Here's how to wipe it squeaky clean. Step 1. Crack open Settings and tap General. Now, scroll all the way down and hit Transfer or Reset iPad. Step 2. Go for the big red button. Erase all content and settings. Your iPad will double-check and confirm you're sure. Then, it'll wipe itself and reboot, good as new. Find My is Apple's built-in service that lets you manage your devices and data remotely. Step 1. On a web browser or another Apple device, go to iCloud.com/find and sign in with your Apple ID. You can also open the Find My app directly on any Apple device. Step 2. Tap all devices at the top, then choose your lost iPad from the list. Step 3. Select Erase iPad and follow the instructions. This will wipe all your data remotely and reset the iPad to its original factory settings. Step 1. Connect your iPad to your computer. Then, open Finder if you're on a Mac, or iTunes if you're on a PC. Step 2. Make sure your iPad stays connected. The way you enter recovery mode is a bit different depending on which iPad model you have. If your iPad doesn't have a home button, quickly press and release the volume up button. Then do the same with the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the top button until you see the recovery mode screen. If your iPad has a home button, press and hold both the home button and the top button at the same time. Keep holding them both until the recovery mode screen shows up. Step 3. Your computer will then download the necessary software. When you see the option to restore or update, choose Restore. It will erase everything on your iPad and restore it back to its original factory settings. FoneLab iOS System Recovery is like a superhero for your iPhone or iPad. This awesome desktop tool can rescue your device from all kinds of system troubles. Imagine your device is stuck on the Apple logo, trapped in recovery mode, or just frozen. FoneLab can fix it all without losing any of your precious data. And guess what? Its coolest feature is the Reset iPad to Factory Settings magic. When your iPad is totally unresponsive and you can't even use Apple's usual methods, this tool comes to the rescue. It's your go-to solution for wiping your device clean and giving it a fresh start. Ready to see how it works? Let's go! Step 1. First, grab FoneLab and install it on your computer. Fire it up and connect your iPad with a USB cable. Step 2. Click on iOS System Recovery, then tap that Start Now button under System Repair. Step 3. Pick Advanced Mode and hit Confirm. You're on your way to a factory reset. Step 4. Choose a firmware package from the list and click Next. It'll snag the perfect one for your iPad. Step 5. When you see the Repair button, give it a click. Before you know it, your iPad will be reset to factory settings. You now have 4 reliable methods to factory reset an iPad. If this guide was helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tips.